Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Allison and I'm back again today with another video, you guys. Also, welcome to those of you who are new to my channel, you guys. So today I'm actually going to be doing my nails. I need a fill-in and I need to replace one of my nails that is actually gone, and I'm going to take you guys with me. Okay, so I did do a video last week on the chart, and I used the clear powder acrylic, and I actually blended in with the chart and I made my own little color acrylic. So I definitely wanted to show you guys how it looked, and we're gonna first do it on some tips so we can see actually how the colors look, and I'm actually going to use it to my nails as well, you guys. And we're gonna just dive into this video and I'm gonna let you guys see how it look. So basically gonna throw in a little clip so you guys can see a little bit of how I did it. If you want to see the full video, you definitely can see what I did last week. Basically look on the channel, you will see that how I actually created my own acrylic with chart, and how I added it and how I grind it down so it can be nice and fine to use it as acrylic along with the acrylic powder that I put in. So let's go ahead and dive in to this video after you watch this clip. Okay, I am back, you guys. So as you can see, I really need a fill-in, you guys. It's really, as you can see, I am desperately in need of a fill. So first thing first, let's go ahead and prep these nails. Okay, so I have here my cuticle pusher, which we're going to use. I have my cuticle scissors. We're going to actually get to that too. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start doing that as well. Definitely can use this hand band for to do your cuticle area, and your nail. But you definitely want to get this part, you basically rub it against a file so that it wouldn't cut your client or you. So I just basically gonna do this, and that's so that the ends would not be so sharp that you don't want it to cut you or the person that you're doing. So you definitely want to do that first. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my nails and get everything prepped and get everything situated so that we can go ahead and do my fill-in and replace the one nail is missing. Also, down the line, I actually had to repair one more nail, so I had to actually glue on another tip onto my right hand as well. So I replaced two nails instead of one at first at the beginning. Excuse me, you guys, you're definitely going to see that I had replaced one of the nails on the left, which is the one I was telling you in the beginning, and then I have to replace the one on the right hand, which you will see as I go through the video. I'm gonna let you guys also enjoy the video. I will be right back towards the end of the video, you guys, so enjoy the video and I'll be right back. Now, we're going to go ahead and apply my primer and my dehydrator to my nails. So you always want to put the dehydrator first. Dehydrate your nails. All right, you guys, I am back. Okay, so as you can see, I'm basically cleaning up my nails now, getting it ready so I can polish my nails. So the polish that I will be actually using, I will put it in the description box. So you can definitely check that out down below. And everything that I will be actually using on my nails today, I will actually put it down below. So as I was saying earlier, part of the video, I was saying that I was gonna replace one of the nails, which was the ring finger on the left. I also had to end up replacing the one on my right hand as well, you guys. But as you can see, the nails that came out pretty good. It came out beautiful, you guys. I am so proud of myself. I have came a long way, you guys. Long way. So you guys, if you have came this far in this video, you are new to my channel, you like what you see, you would like to see more, you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Allie family and turn on your bell notification. And if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, you guys, and don't forget to drop me a comment down below and show me some love, you guys. I definitely will see each and every one of you guys on Saturday and Sunday, you guys. And remember, you guys, that if you don't see the video right away on a Saturday or a Sunday, it's going to be the very next day. It's no more than one day that the video will be out. Just give me time to edit. Okay, you guys? I will see each and every one of you guys next week. Bye.